Hello everybody, this is video 2 of fractions. In this video you are going to be completing the test, the first test, chapter 1, halves and quarters, or halves and fourths. So if you don't have this in front of you, go ahead and pause the video and get your test. Number 1 says, color half the circle. It's easy enough to do. Color half the circle. Number 2 says, there are blank halves in a whole. So if it's divided into halves, how many pieces are there in all? That's the answer to number 2. How many pieces are there in all if something is divided into halves? Number 3 says, color a quarter of the circle or a fourth of the circle. Go ahead and do that right now. Color 1/4 of the circle. Number 4 says, there are blank fourths in a whole. If something is divided into fourths, how many pieces are there in all? You're going to write a number. There are blank fourths or blank pieces in a whole. All right, on the back, number 5 says, figures blank and blank show 1/2. You're going to write 2 of these letters. Here we have A. Here we have A, B, C, and D. And you're going to write 2 of those letters. Does A show 1/2? Does B? Let's look at it this way. Let's look at B this way. Does B show 1/2? Does C show 1/2? Does D show 1/2? 2 of those show 1/2. So write those 2 letters here and then the other letter here. The next one says, figures blank and blank show 1/4. We have A, B, C, and D again. Which 2 show 1/4? A, B, C, D. You're going to write 2 of those letters here. The next one says, color to show 1/2. 1/2, not a fourth. I know it's divided into 4 pieces, but I want you to color half of the circle. Now it says, look at the circle in question 7. After you have colored half of this circle, it says 1/2 is greater than or smaller than 1/4. So is half of this circle bigger or smaller than a fourth of this circle? You're going to circle either greater than or smaller than. All right. Keep that with your things, and I will have your parents send me a picture of that so I can get your grade. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? I hope you all have a great afternoon, and I love you a bunch, and I miss you so much. Love you guys.